Welcome to Puerto Penasco, also known as Rocky Point. In today's video, we wanted to share some of what we've been up to here in Mexico, and we're going to do it by way of our top 5 favorite things to do in the month that we've been here.
Yep. We've been here for a month, and I've been working the whole time, full time. This is my first day off.
Second day off.
Second day off that we've had since we've been here. So internet's been fun, but it's worked. Having 2 sources of internet is definitely
necessary.
Yeah, and we would like to come back and spend some more time in Mexico, but we're gonna have to figure out the internet a little bit more bulletproof next time.
Maybe Starlink will work internationally by the time we come back. Number 1 is have a beach day at Playa Hermosa or Playa Bonita.
Yeah, there's public access and public parking there. Number 2 is to take a boat trip.
Yeah, there's sunset cruises every day and whale watching in season. We went with Del Mar Charters for our catamaran cruise and with Intrepid for our larger group boat trip.
Number 3, SUP or Kayak.
Yeah, there's a company called Supping the Sea, which we didn't use because we had our own SUPs, but we heard that they will deliver right to you. Okay, now.
I had a day off today. It's Monday, so we decided to come out on the SUP boards in the Sea of Cortez.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The water is really still, so you can see to the bottom. We think we're maybe like 10 or 12 feet deep, and it's crystal clear to the bottom. So cool. Typically the wind stirs it up, so there's more waves and there's more sand and you can't see, but it's also not great to SUP board when it's windy, so we've just been waiting for a great day to get out on the water.
Yeah, we thought today, and it was just a beautiful day to do it.
Yeah, it's perfect. This is Old Town over here.
And then looking across the Sea of Cortez, can't see San Felipe, but it's out that way.
You can in real life, but probably not on the camera.
And then here's to the resort district.
It's the newer area of Puerto Penasco.
And then where our RV park is.
We're kind of like right in the middle. It's a perfect walk down the beach to get to Old Town, and our friends with e-bikes have been able to bike all the way down to the other end in the resort area. So I love our location. It's just smack dab in the middle.
Yeah, yeah. Yo soy como turista visitando el mar. Yeah. Con otros ojos lo que no hacía.
Number 4, tequila tasting.
Yes, at the Tequila Factory. It's totally free. Just be sure to tip Fernando. We're going tequila tasting.
Yep, let's see how this goes.
Everybody going to sample. Yeah. I say they're all here. Introduce tequila. Well, we've heard of mezcals, right? Bacanora from Sonora. Sotol from Chihuahua.
Which mezcal?
Yourself. You.
Now exhale.
You know, in the tequila business, 100-liter barrel. Roasted oak in this is phenomenal. I love a 300-liter barrel that was lightly toasted, and that the tequila sits in this 300 lightly toasted barrel. A juice that we call the devil's cut. Imagine that. Oh yes. Now, 200-liter barrel, American oak, smothered with coffee and maple extracts. So we're gonna do a little bit of that. A little Mexican champagne. What'd you say back there?
Nothing. I was wondering if it was that tamarind that was.
You say you want more tequila.
Oh yeah.
How you do that?
I can do it close more if it's got other stuff. With Mexican champagne and lime.
That's really good. It's smooth.
That's pretty.
It's really pretty.
Number 5, dining out.
Yeah, there's so many great local food options. Try them all. The prices are fairly cheap. Our favorite cheap dining out was the Pollo Lucas restaurant, and the expensive dining out favorite for us was Pane y Vino. We've got like a million. Go for it, you're right.
No, we haven't.
Será muy egoísta a ti desearte el mal. Yeah. Digo a la buena y la mala pa' él. Yeah, yeah. Soy como turista visitando el mar.
Here we are in Mexico for the Super Bowl.
Yeah, I just happened to be here for it. So we're celebrating at La Arena with all of our RV friends.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Good morning. It's our last morning here.
Yeah, it's pretty early. We're walking Maddie and we're gonna pack up and get out of here. But we've had a really great month here at Concha Del Mar and in Puerto Penasco. And we hope you enjoyed coming along.
Yeah, it's been a great time while we've been here. A lot of good friends.
Yeah.
But we're ready to be back stateside.
Yeah.
Better internet.
Better groceries.
But it's been so much fun being on the beach.
Adiós, Pierre. Gracias por todo.